When should you hire a personal injury attorney? And we get this question all the time here at FVF. The most basic answer I give to folks is call as soon as possible. Just call. Even if you're not catastrophically injured and you're just feeling minor, neck or back pain, let's say from a car accident, it's best to just call and understand what your rights are, what your options are, and what to expect from an attorney. So with a personal injury case, there are many, many things to go over with your attorney. Some of the more common questions that we're asked is, what do I do about property damage? What insurance coverages are available to me? And what do I do if there's multiple parties involved in an accident? So, property damage, how do you handle it? Well, you have two options. You can go through the at-fault driver's insurance company, or you can go through your own insurance company. Don't let either insurance company tell you that you have to go through the other one. For example, you go to your own insurance company and they say, you know what, this wasn't your fault, you have to go through the other party's insurance company. That is not true. The choice is yours, you can go through either one. Now, what insurance coverages are available to you? And this will largely depend on the insurance that you purchased prior to an accident occurring. My best advice to you would be to send your attorney your insurance declaration page. And what we would do here at FVF with an insurance declaration page is analyze what coverages apply to your accident and also what coverages don't apply to your accident. That way, you'll have all the information you'll need to move forward with your case, on what insurance is going to work for you and what's not going to work for you. Now, if there are multiple parties involved in the accident in which you're involved in, you're going to want to get on the phone with an attorney as soon as possible. It's even, I would say more urgent to just pick up the phone and call. And reason being is that there are certain laws here in Texas that could completely disrupt your claim if there are multiple parties involved. So it's really important to contact an attorney, figure out what those disruptions are they going to apply to your case, and how to prevent them from, disrupting your case in a way that would be detrimental. Now, what can you expect when hiring a personal injury attorney? And what I think you should expect is you're going to want your attorney to answer your questions. You're going to want your attorney to help you navigate through your personal injury case from start to finish. That will lead to the best possible outcome. And here at FVF, one of our core values is education. We're going to educate you so you can make an informed decision through every single step of the way of your case from start to finish in a no-pressure environment. So in addition to education, we offer a 5-star service, which means we go above and beyond in things like investigating liability to the full extent, finding all available insurance policies that apply to your case. We're going to offer a concierge service of we're going to be the ones that are talking and dealing with the insurance company, and we're going to be the ones that are negotiating a settlement on your behalf. Now, there are a couple of tactics that insurance companies use that you need to be aware of because they can be detrimental to your case. Some of these tactics might be to ask for a recorded statement, to just be unresponsive, or to put unnecessary pressure on you to accept a settlement offer. So recorded statements. Why wouldn't you want to give a recorded statement? And what I would advise is to not give a recorded statement until you've had a chance to consult with an attorney. Reason being is that insurance companies are going to take what you say, and no matter how careful you are, they're going to use your words against you, which could be detrimental at pretty much any point in your case. Now, why might an insurance company be unresponsive? Well, there's two reasons. The first, they hope that you'll just forget about it. And the second is they hope that you'll just get so sick of trying to contact them without ever hearing back that you just give up. Now, let's say you don't give up. The insurance company's most effective tactic is to put pressure on you to accept the first settlement offer. Now, what does that pressure look like? Sometimes the insurance company will make you a seemingly generous offer, but it's so early on in your case that you don't know how your injuries are going to progress. If you don't know the extent of your injuries and you accept that tempting offer, and at some point down the road you go back to treat those injuries, you're going to be paying out of your own pocket. Another area of pressure that the insurance companies sometimes like to use is to put a timeline or a deadline on your settlement offer. So for example, sometimes they'll say, You have 5 days to accept this settlement offer, or we're going to close your case and you'll never receive another offer from us. If you find yourself in this situation, my best advice is to contact an attorney so you can figure out exactly what your options are. The last thing I want to touch on is what to do if you feel like your medical bills are starting to pile up. And any good personal injury attorney will be able to help you here. Here at FVF, we're going to explore multiple options to help with those bills. We're going to try and prevent your bill from going to collections. That way your credit is not negatively impacted. We'll call over to the medical provider and just ask that the bill is placed on hold. Or we'll call the medical provider and ask that you be put on a payment plan so you're not just paying one large lump sum and you can spread it out over many different payments. And these are just some of the ways that we can help you through your case so you can just get back to living your life.